Good morning, folks. It is the 1st of October, 2021, and we're at 9:03 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. And what we're looking at right now is the E-mini NASDAQ, which is the NQ, and it is up 34, 35 points this morning already. And it's made a little lower low than yesterday, so it'll be interesting to see what happens when it opens up. But my strategy for the beginning of the morning will be to buy the high of the first 5-minute candle. And I keep a 5-point stop and I keep a 20-point target, take profit. So the market will be open in about 25 minutes, and I will come back after it opens when I'm close to putting in my order. Now, if it goes down, and I'll be looking for a different setup at that point. But that's where I stand right now, and stay tuned. We'll see what happens. All right, folks, the first 5-minute candle is in, and I have my order to buy above the high of it. And that's right up here at 35.75 on a stop. And now we'll just see what happens. I will come back if I get filled. All right, so now we're down in the zone of the overnight low, right in here. That would be on the 50 level, and it's at 64.75 right now in that area. So I'm just going to kind of give it a little break here, or give it a watch. And what I'm looking for is it to make a low and then make a pullback and then try to go down through the next low, that low that it just made, and fail. And then I will be looking to buy it above that high going back up. So now what I want to happen, though, I want all this to be curling back around. This is the 50% level for the slow stochastic. This is the 50% level for the RSI. And of course, the MACD, I want that turned around too to go up. So that is my strategy for right now for the day. And we'll see what happens here. So please stick with me. So here's what I'm looking for right now. Everything, this is crossed over the MACD, meaning it looks like it's going back up. The RSI is getting ready to cross the 50% level, and this slow stochastic is still down kind of low. So what I really want to see is this move right here. So you got this low here, got this high, hopefully right around now. It will, on the next candle at least, it'll start coming back down into here, and then can't continue to go lower. And then we get the buyers to kick in above this lower intermediate high and hopefully going back up. So that is the strategy, and we will see how it plays out. Well, I've got my red candle I was looking for, which is that I would love to have a better pullback down into this area, which it may do it now. 2 red candles would be even better, but we will see what happens. Everything else is looking pretty good. It's just, yeah, I would really like to see this pull down before it breaks that red candle high, because it just means stronger that it went down, made a move back down to the downside, couldn't make it, and then the buyers step in above this high. So we will see what happens if I get filled or not, and just go from there. So here's the problem with having a tight stop. I got filled. It was a fast-moving market. I got filled, I guess, at 32.50, and it popped in, went down, stopped me out, and then went right back. I only had a 5-point stop, so really the safest bet is to, whatever candle is to push that pushes through your buy order, put your stop down below that. But that all happens so fast. Like right now, I would be up almost, well, if I was still in the market with it, 60, and it made it up to 60. But yeah, I could have taken 30 points out of that deal. $600, and it's still going. So that is something to think about on your own. I'm not giving you advice. I'm telling you this is what some things I'm looking at where the crossover happens. You don't want to get stopped out because it's most likely headed above or headed north. So lesson learned. I lost $100. I think I'm done for the day. I I don't know of any other patterns to get in. Maybe if it breaks the high of the first 5-minute candle and pulls back, maybe get in above that. But other than that, I think I'm pretty much done for the day. So thanks for watching. I hope you had a good trading day, and I will see you next time. Also, hit that like button if you would, please, and maybe subscribe. And I'm in the market every day, and we'll just see what happens here. So have a good day and have a good weekend.